concern about litter in this area is that we're in an environmentally sensitive area, very close to the beaches, and so litter has a huge impact on our area. Obviously what's lying around in our streets and from people not placing it in the bins provided ends up in our oceans and causes quite a lot of damage, not only to our waterways but to our marine life.
Firstly, it ends up like other places like on roads and them stuff, and it like washes out all of it and it comes onto the beach.
The main things I'm worried about, particularly today, were cigarette butts and balloons and plastic bags. And it all flows back to the sea, so we've got to stop that.
These are your beaches, these are your areas. You know, just come and do your bit, and it's very easy.
The Pick It Up program is not just about today. We've actually have the Pick It Up kits available to anyone that's interested in grabbing a resource kit that will enable them to pick up litter on their daily walks. So anyone can just drop into council and to pick up those kits free of charge. Anything that people can do to help the environment is really greatly appreciated.